Hi, this is Mina. We're at the ISE 2018. I'm from Duali in Korea. This year we will attend this show at the first time. What we do is actually we made NFC readers, and the application can be from the payment, as you can see, QR and NFC and contactless. And then we also making payment readers for the open market. We do have like multiple application readers based on Android, so you can make like a payment for the theme park, amusement park, those kind of system. The application based on NFC, we have access control system and payment. And then we do also have a OEM module product for multiple readers, like a kiosk, unattended machines, things like that. So we expect we'll find a new customer and then good partners in Europe. This is the first time, so yeah, let's see.